In this video, I'm going to show you what happens if a defendant fails to check in. So on your admin panel over here, we'll click View Defendants. And we've got Defendant Joe Demo over here. We're going to send Joe Demo a check-in request. Now Joe Demo is going to get a push notification on his phone telling him that he has 2 minutes to check in. This is what happens if he fails to check in. Alright, so we've waited the 2 minutes for Joe Demo to check in. He hasn't checked in, so you will receive an email to your email account notifying you that your defendant has failed to check in. And it'll show you, notice, the following individual failed to check in within 5 minutes of the request. And it will give you all of the information linked to their account, their name, their address, the technical information for their phone. And because we haven't got a check-in previously from Joe Demo, there's nothing here. But I will show you here what happens if we do have a check-in and then they fail. So we'll send Joe Demo another check-in. Alright, so this time Joe Demo's on the ball and did his check-in. So you'll click here where it says View Defendant Check-ins, and it'll show the check-in information here. So going back, we're going to send another check-in to show you what the email looks like if they fail to check in after they have already done a successful check-in. So we'll send Joe another check-in request, and we'll wait a few moments here. Now that we've sent a check-in to our defendant and he has failed to check in, you should see an email that looks like this. It'll show you, notice, the following individual failed to check in within 5 minutes of the request. It'll show you the same device information as early. However, this time it'll show you the last successful check-in, the last known address, and the last known IP address. And that is how the failed check-ins work. As always, if you have any questions, you can always check out our live support.